Good day to whomever is watching this video. I hope you're having a great day. My name is Ruben Rosado. I'm a business administration student at University of Puerto Rico in Bayamon. And the objectives for this video presentation is to learn about the Servicios Educativos program at UPRB, specifically learn about the tutoring services that they provide and the steps to follow to be a part of the program, and learn about the other service that they can provide. The Servicios Educativos program provides tutoring and guidance counseling services through personal support and academic reinforcement. It seeks to strengthen and maximize the academic potential of students in an environment of respect and trust that allows them to obtain a comprehensive education. The primary objective and the mission of the program is for students to have a good academic achievement, have a better adjustment and transition from high school to college life, and persist and retain at UPRB for a college degree. The vision is to be a program that offers comprehensive development services, which is a model for the university community of creating educational opportunities, and it is aimed at transforming the lives of the students. The tutoring service will be offered in basic areas such as Spanish, English, maths, biology, general chemistry, and organic chemistry, and electronics, as requested by the student. Monitoring of participation in services will be maintained through an attendance record for each section, regardless of whether the section is face-to-face, hybrid, or a virtual. That should know that the tutors are students enrolled in the institution with greater academic knowledge of the subject that they're gonna teach, and they are vouched by the professors. The purpose of the tutor is to help and support students in their academic studies, as well as guide them to be independent and successful in their learning. The service is offered in groups with different schedules by subject that are being offered in that year or semester. So how do you get the tutoring service? Well, step one, you need to be a first year student and be enrolled at the university. Without that, you can get the service. Step 2, you need to go to the office that is located in the 600 building next to the 200 building and Centro de Estudiantes. And the services are mostly providing room 602, 604, and other areas surrounding the building. Step 3, you need to provide the class program of the semester in which the service is requested by the student, and any other information that is required to keep it in the program archive. It is important that you have the class program in hand to show it to the director and the coordinator, so that they can accommodate you to the program without conflicting with the classes that you're gonna take that same year. And step 4, and I think is the most important one, have commitment and responsibility to consistently attend the services according to the days and hours established. So this is a map of the university. If you see, this is the 600 building where the offices are located. This is this el centro de estudiantes and el edificio 200. The counseling and guidance service is the other service that the office provide, and this service is offered to new students participating in the program in order to provide personal, vocational, or academic support depending on the needs presented. It can be requested directly by student or through referral from their teacher, tutors, or other staff member at the institution. Individual counseling is developed according to the needs of the student, and the time is subject to their situations. They also participate in seminars that promote the development of strategies for adjustment to university life, and to these are added workshops and conferences with topics of an academic, personal, motivational, social, and financial management nature, whose purpose is to train students with knowledge in various areas and who have the necessary resources and to effectively manage their students and personal life. So to summarize this, we learn about the Servicios Educativos program, the objective and the mission and vision of the program. We learn the steps to follow to be a beneficiary of the program, that you need to be a first year student and be attending at the university. Go to the edificio 200, 600 building, and show the class program to the director, so that they can accommodate you without conflicting with other classes, and have a commitment to the services. And now you know that you can also opt into the counseling and guidance service for personal, vocational, or academic support. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it can help you if you didn't know how or where you can be a part of the program. I encourage you to contact any of these three people: Professor Succes Collazo, who is the director of the program; Ms. Mildred Sullivan, who is the academic coordinator; and for the counseling, you can contact Maria Figueroa through email, or go directly to the offices. Thank you.